Hi all, welcome to my channel again. Today's video is recipes on 3 snacks that we could have during our evening time. We usually have our tea and snacks in between 4 to 6 p.m. or right after my husband comes back from office. So let's move on to the preparation. Firstly, showing a fried Rava Idli. I had some leftover Rava Idli that we had for our breakfast. I'll be showing a recipe on this in my coming video. Just make it into small pieces. Here I've made one idli into 4 pieces. In another bowl, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of gram flour, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, salt, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. Slowly add water and start mixing. Add quarter teaspoon of baking powder. This is completely optional. If you want, you can avoid it. And then start deep frying in hot oil. You can use normal idli as well for this recipe. Then serve it hot with your tea. This is a similar recipe to my Rava Upma Bonda. Do check out the link above or in the description. Next, making spinach and feta cheese puff pastry. Take a handful of spinach leaves. Some of you had asked me to show how I chop spinach. Just holding all the leaves together like this. Hold tight and chop. So you get these thin shreds of spinach. Now heat a pan. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Then add chopped garlic, around 3 tablespoons or less. I like the flavor of garlic, so you can add just 2 tablespoons if you want to reduce it. Saute well and then add 1 onion chopped. When it's completely sauteed, then goes in the spinach. After it has cooked well, transfer it into a mixing bowl. Now take feta cheese, 1 or 2 cups as per your preference. Here I had taken mildly salted feta cheese, so I didn't add any salt to the spinach. Now add this to the spinach mixture and mix everything till well combined. Now these are puff pastry sheets I bought from the store, easily available. Filling a spoonful of the mixture into each square sheet. You can use electric oven or bake it in a sandwich maker like how I did. Do check in between. And it's done after 15 minutes. And then cook the remaining. Now it's ready to serve. Next is chicken pakora. For this you will need half kilo boneless chicken. Cook the chicken first, adding salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, and some water. Now either chop or shred the cooked chicken and keep aside. Then in a mixing bowl, I have sliced 3 to 4 onions very thinly, 3 to 4 green chilies chopped, a small piece of ginger chopped, and a handful of coriander leaves chopped. To this add salt, mix and squeeze with your hand. Then to this add half cup rice flour, 1 cup gram flour, quarter teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon ajwain seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, and mix everything very well. Add the chicken stock, around quarter cup that remained after cooking the chicken. Then add the shredded chicken. Then add around quarter to half cup of water and mix everything together. And start frying the pakoras. Serve it warm with your tea. So that's done for today's video. Hope you liked and enjoyed watching it. See you all soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.